BTech Mechanical lecture. Today I brought in updates regarding PhD admission for a spring semester January 2022 in IIT Bombay. They have released notification for PhD admission. The minimum eligibility criteria here you can see for PhD. General eligibility criterion for admission in all academic units, department, center, school and interdisciplinary groups. Qualifying degree, you must have master degree in engineering and technology, bachelor degree in engineering and technology, master or equivalent degree in science, master or equivalent degree in arts and commerce or allied subjects. For qualifying degree listed under 2, 3 and 4, candidate must also fulfill one of the following additional requirement. You must have valid GATE or CETA score, selected through UGC NET including lectureship, selected through a national level examination conducted by MHRD or its agency or institutions such as UGC, IIT, ISC, ISER, IIT, etc. Selected provisionally for DST Inspire Fellowship, provisionally award letter to be produced. Minimum of 2 years of professional experience acquired after obtaining the qualifying degree and completed before starting of the semester in which admission is sought. Means if you have bachelor degree in engineering or technology or MSc or MA in arts or commerce, then you must possess these any one of these. Means either you have valid GATE score or either you have NET qualification including lectureship, either you have qualified national level examination conducted by MHRD or its agency or institution such as UGC, IIT, ISC, ISER, IIIT, etc. or you have provisionally selected for DST Inspire Fellowship or you have minimum 2 years of professional experience before taking admission. The percentage criteria for different category, like for general, AWS and OBC category, minimum 60% in aggregate, means BTech, MTech, 10, 12th, in everything you must have 60% marks. First class as specified by university or minimum cumulative grade point average or CGP or CPI of 6 on 10 point scale or an equivalent to 6 or on other corresponding professional requirement when the skills are other than 0 to 10. For masters or equivalent degree in arts and commerce must have 55% marks for admission to PhD programs only by Industrial Design Center and Department of Humanity and Social Sciences. For SC/ST and PWD category, minimum 55% marks, means in percentage 5% relaxation, and CGPA or CPI 0.5 relaxation. These are the important dates. They have the form will start to be filled from 3rd of September 2021 and last date is 20th October 2021. इसके बाद these are the strength of PhD for 2021-22 session. For aerospace, total 15 seats, bioscience and bioengineering, total 18 seats, chemical 20, chemistry 26, civil 22, computer science 26, earth science 15, electrical 38, energy science and engineering 12, humanity and social sciences total 22, mathematics 26, mechanical 30, metallurgical engineering and material science total 22 seats, physics 26, industrial engineering and operation research total 8 seats, system and control engineering total 8 seats, educational technology total 8, then climate studies 8, CESC environmental science and engineering 11, industrial design center total 15, then CSRE geoinformatics and natural resources engineering 8, Center for Research in Nanotechnology and Science total 8 seats, then CTARA Technology and Development total 5, then Center for Urban Science and Engineering total 8 seats, SGM School of Management 18 seats, and CPS Center for Policy Studies total 8 seats. So total 431 seats IIT Mumbai is offering for PhD. This is the tentative schedule for PhD admission for a spring semester. Advertisement will be has published on 3rd September. Availability of form September 3rd. Last date October 20. Then last date for departments to send the list of candidates for written test and interview October 27. Then to display the list of candidates called for entrance test November 2nd. Then individual department have different dates for interview or written test. That is either online or offline. It is informed later. For aerospace, the date is 2nd and 3rd December. Bioscience, science and bioengineering 2nd, 3rd and 4th December 2021. For chemical 3rd and 4th December. Chemistry November 22, December 5. Then civil December 4 and 5. Climate study December 4. Computer science 7, 8. Design industrial design center no admission for a spring semester. Earth science 7 and 8 December. Then electrical engineering 3rd, 4th and 5th December. Energy science December 8 and 9. Environmental science and engineering December 7 and 8. Geoinformatics and natural resources engineering December 8. Then humanity and social sciences December 7, 8 and 9. Industrial engineering and operation research 8 December. Then mathematics 2, 3 December. Mechanical 4 and 5th December. Then metallurgical engineering and material December 4 written test and December 8 and 9 interview. For nanotech 9 and 10 December. Physics 3 and 4th December. System and control engineering 7 and 8. Then technology and development 7 December 2021. Urban science 7 and 8 December. Recommendation from academic unit to reach academic office. Declaration of result December 21. Payment of fee December 27 and orientation and registration program January 4th and 5th 2022 and instruction begins from January 6, 2022. You have to visit IIT Bombay website regularly for other information. If there is any changes, then they will inform you either through website or via mail also. So you must put your email ID correctly and your mobile number also, so that if any problem occurred, then they will call you. That's all about today's video. You must share with your friends who want to sought for taking in PhD admission, and please share subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now.